Welcome back to Ultra Prime Selections, your trusted partner in preparedness, delivering confidence for every crisis. As the world faces increasing climate uncertainties and rising geopolitical tensions, the need to prepare for upcoming storms and potential global conflicts has never been more urgent. Research local hazards to understand the types of storms common in your region. With the possibility of global conflicts at an all-time high, it's essential to stay informed about both natural and man-made threats. Stock a 2-week supply of food, water, and medical essentials. Ultra Prime Selections offers everything you need to stay ready, from durable emergency kits to advanced water filtration systems. Reinforce your home by securing windows, inspecting your roof, and preparing a safe room. Ultra Prime Selections provides high-quality gear to help you fortify your space and protect your family. With global tensions escalating, reliable communication is key. Establish a family emergency plan and invest in backup devices like satellite phones and walkie-talkies from Ultra Prime Selections. Stay connected with Ultra Prime's range of durable and dependable communication tools. Secure your financial future by reviewing insurance policies and keeping essential documents safe. Ultra Prime Selections offers practical solutions for protecting your most important items. Prepare for the unexpected with Ultra Prime's waterproof storage solutions. Strengthen community ties to share resources and support each other. Ultra Prime Selections can help you build a network of resilience with bulk emergency supplies and tools. Share the power of preparation with Ultra Prime's community-focused solutions. After the storm, prioritize safety and document damages for insurance claims. Ultra Prime Selections provides the tools you need to recover quickly and effectively. Rebuild stronger with Ultra Prime's top-rated recovery essentials. With global tensions escalating and the possibility of military action increasing daily, your preparations must go beyond storms. Ultra Prime Selections equips you with the tools and supplies to face any crisis, whether it's natural or man-made. Prepare today for the challenges of tomorrow with Ultra Prime Selections. Preparation is not just about surviving, but thriving through adversity. With Ultra Prime Selections, you can face any challenge with confidence. Stay safe, stay prepared with Ultra Prime Selections.